Route commander, I mean the sector commander in charge of SLIC personnel there, who are road safety corps in Abombali district.
Mr. Ise, we see you and some other safety corps them, including on our zonal head, Kamna St. Francis Primary School, McKinney this morning. What do you want to do?
Well, first of all, say thanks to Almighty God and also the head of station winner, Mr. Arthur Robert Finn, because now initiative the same school one not try visit St. Francis, na me Bukana TD. But the purpose of Kana for more na local sensitize the on road safety. But purely we look at things that they're supposed for do school unlock. That is to say, some get for travel. Some get for travel on their own, whether they're class 6. Some get for travel with their parents then, where I believe say we tell them say when they travel with the parents, when driver they overspeed, we na idea upon it for tell the person like talk to another driver they let overspeed because we don't show them what are the speed limit for the highway and inside the municipality. And also tell them say you as passenger wey dey inside motor you no need for set him out take trouble calm. Not say hey, this I be wan talk but afraid no. You no go talk to the driver direct. You as speaking talk to a person wey dey travel with. You go talk to the driver. That is to say we tell them say wey driver dey drive. He dey talk on a phone. Let them report that to them people them. If the people then talk to the driver not agree. When they reach any checkpoint, let them can know skillfully. Then talk to the law enforcement holding at the checkpoint. Then go apprehend that driver there. Because one will realize say driver today in the habit. If we don't talk. They need the habit talking on a phone. They talk on a phone. When they drive, they drink. When they drive, they smoke. When they drive, they do many things so not correct where they cause problem. It will also come for telling difference between accident and road traffic crash. We tell us accident, unpleasant, unexpected event. You know they expect it happen to you. And road traffic crash now you're doing as driver. You're human error we don't create now because the road traffic crash. That is to say, give examples like now morning you check the oil, you check everything for the motor car, but when you were going, you will get problem, you get accident, you get problem there. If that kind of thing they call them accident. But you driver, if you drive, you talking on a phone, you drink, you don't check, you don't be na steering, you go bang, you go kill, auto accident to na road traffic crash. Because road traffic crash is preventable. It's preventable and if you don't do them, no cause that problem. The accident now unexpected, unpleasant event to the happen to this time. We not stop there also. We tell also on passenger about passenger manifest. This passenger manifest are document where we SLRSA don't sit down with driver union, then prepare this document here within at the parks. We're gonna park for load day, then we take the information, your name, your address, who side they come out, and also the number for your next of kin. What's our next of kin? The man way left now also side come out or the one way they go to. Because if anything happen on the highway, then normally they will call for contact before they say so to happen. And also of course we tell them about the zebra crossing, we know they na you angry waiting for do before you cross, and also we going to police now the zebra crossing waiting for do. Then of course we also tell about how they for work on the highway. Because they don't say family, they don't say this country, there is no provision outside motorman for worker, motor for pass, bike for pass, na the same lane we all they use. But government make it possible say Lord let provide labours them who say walkways them who say for the pass wey sometimes na gutters them. But we tell them say when the worker always ensure you work on the left side of the road. Because how they emphasize this left side of the road na because when you work on the left side of the road you dey facing the traffic wey dey come, you dey see the motor car dey come before you. But if you work on the left side of the road, na motor car dey na your back, when na the right side of the road, before they jump na your own lane for car na the other lane, somebody go must don hala. Unlike when you work on the right side, in on the traffic wey dey behind you, e dey close to you, e dey na your back, you no dey see am. So now that make we tell them say yeah, when the worker this holiday time, they ensure they work on the left side of you for their own safety.
So how responsible the picking every day? All length topic I wanna covers.
Well, it been perfect because one at the end of the session we ask questions. We ask questions, who gives more motivation, and I believe say the head they appreciate that very much because I'm well impressed. You can imagine or even a class 1 people who first call, ask her if somebody know the outside, they want grade for cross. He was bold enough to say yes. If I go there, I want cross, nobody know they want for talk to them, help me. I for look left, I look right, I look left again. And not stop, they say if for ensure no bike is coming, vehicle is coming, he run fast, he cross. And that they encourage it to me. And we ask for class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, and class 6. In fact, class 2 we asked 2 questions, and all questions were answered.
So, when I get any plan for continuing with this sensitization?
Of course, we will continue. We will pray God when the school lock so, let the pikin dem go home safe, nothing no happen, then return back safe. As school open so, we continue.
Apart from St. Francis Primary School, which other school again una don target inside the short term wey una zonal head be don arrive?
Well, this one I we don arrive. We don go far away. We don go Kankile Primary School. We don go SLMB, and of course we don come this St. Francis Primary School.
So wetin are the general message to the pikin and parents dem now, because the pikin dem don get the idea, so dem parents dey need for support this particular driver as well?
Well, the general message of drivers, people there, no be complacent in the sense wey no this time motoka na for talk. Driver no perfect, so driver dey say they no not decent in attitude. Even when they do the wrong thing, when you talk to them, you no go wan lis ten to you, but persistent dey continue for talk am, because when they say that motoka, you allow driver over speed. Believe me, if that motoka dey for don, no go pick. God no go say go pick only the driver let him die though, or let him suffer. Una all inside the motoka na get for suffer, so that make who passengers, and there are passengers wey dey in the habit for tell driver say, hey driver for run fast too, because me I get for one go buy market so I come back, and it's very dangerous. If you tell the driver for run, believe me, some driver they not professional, then go run. And if they go run, if they run around it, something go happen. So now market you go buy, you able to buy the market, they lost your life back or you become disabled, even permanent, whether permanently or temporarily.
Yes, for the benefits of the one that they listen and watch this interview, what are the limited recommended speed limits wey una the SLRA say don recommend?
Well, the recommended speed limit also we dey do na SLRA, na dem get na power dey and na dem we dey follow. And SLRA say na the highway you no for go above 80 kilometers per hour. But one thing like caution the drivers dem, you know say na speedometer get two parts. You get the miles per hour, you get kilometers per hour. The miles per hour na get the bolded figures wey dey up. And the one they run the kilometers per hour, it look fade small. So that make if you always watch, because somehow they say kilometers per hour, they always look at the miles per hour. And that kilometers per hour, if you did 60 miles per hour, so the kilometers per hour they show like 100 or 120. So that make let people know the difference there. The inside mechanic municipality don't go above 30 kilometers per hour.
All right, thank you.